everybody. I hope you can hear me. Cranky Preezer here. Well, that's my YouTube name. But if you want, you can go ahead and call me Joe. I am talking to you from my basement workshop. I hope you. This will be part one, because I have a script. I have a script that I made up, and it's only half complete. So when I get the other half of the script complete, then I'll make another one, part two. Anyway, so this is what I look like, in case you were curious. Hope I don't disappoint. Okay, here we go. Gathering my script. Okay, today I'm going to show you my basement workshop. As I said, this will be part two. Here is my table saw. It is a 10-inch left tilt Grizzly model G0575. They don't make it anymore. It's been replaced with other models, but it gets the job done. Next is some of my air tools, air hammer, ratchet, and 23 gauge pin nailer and die grinder. I hope you can see that well enough. Here is my air compressor. As you might be able to see, it is a Craftsman. To the left of the compressor is the dust collector. It has a lot of suck. That's my drill press. It too is a Grizzly G7944. It has 12 speeds. Here is some of... Okay. Here is some of my lathe tools. This is my home-built lathe. Here you see some of my clamps. I guess I'm going to have to put some pauses in my script to so you don't see all this movement. Here are some of my clamps. And here are more clamps. When you get into woodworking, there's one thing you got to remember: you can never have enough clamps. Well, that's I'm going to make that the end of part one. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again in part two.